This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and this is
Dr. Ali Alahi, your Dallas chiropractor.
Dr. Alahi is our team doctor up in North Dallas in Addison, correct?
Yep.
And that's just up there going towards Frisco, right?
Yeah, on the Dallas Tollway.
On the Dallas Tollway.
Yeah.
And how would they get in touch with you to get a ring dinger done at
Well,
the
you can
DFW airport?
You can Google Advanced Chiropractic of Dallas, or you can just go advancedchiropracticofdallas.com, and the phone number and booking thing, everything's there, so it's easy.
They can book online?
Yep.
Great. And he is providing exactly the same three-dimensional XYZ adjusting biophysics technique that we utilize here.
The Johnson technique.
The Johnson
and
technique.
I only go to Johnson technique doctors. That's why I come here to get treated.
Yeah, so he's down here today just for a little refresher on his training, and he's already adjusted Tristan, and Tristan's adjusted him. So now I'm going to give him his second ring dinger of the day. Let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me, Doc. And then back to neutral. Pretty squared up after that first one. You're right down the gut everywhere. Good job. Okay, let's do that. Kudos to Tristan there. You know, once you've had the ring dinger from a trained team ring dinger doc, there's absolutely no other adjustment in the chiropractic profession that compares. Wouldn't you agree, Doc?
Yes.
Deep breath through your nose. There we go.
Oh!
Look at that. Yes, sir.
Oh!
And those were screams of ecstasy, I'm sure.
That's my second one today, so.
One of my good friends out in West Texas described it one day. He said, that adjustment's almost orgasmic.
That wasn't my scream.
Yeah. Yeah, mine either.
Somebody was proposing to you
Yeah.
a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, we had a patient come in from Florida. She was actually proposing to me after the adjustment. There we go, face down. You okay?
Oh, I'm better than okay.
Okay, good. Legs are exactly even. And they stay even. Does that tighten up anywhere?
Not right now.
Okay, good. Well, Jason, right, let's use that tail, huh? There he is.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Very nice. This should feel even easier.
Oh, yeah.
Smooth as silk. You gonna feel your head popping up next. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back, please. Slide down a little bit. Dr. Alahi is also a Palmer graduate like Tristan and myself. Well, Tristan's not graduated quite yet, but will be shortly. Wrong head. That wasn't your head, was it? Okay. Yep. There we go. Okay, you can relax your hands there. Okay, let go. There we go. Yes, sir. Okay, let's hit you up and face that way. Dr. Alahi is also a Texas licensed chiropractor, again up in Addison, North Dallas. And, you know, there's a lot of chiropractors that watch our videos, and a lot of them say, oh, he's not specific. Which would you rather have, a specific Donstead adjustment or this adjustment?
The ring dinger, 100%. if you're a chiropractic patient too, and you've gone to other chiropractors, and they do the Gonset, the Activator, the Thompson, that's great, but nothing is like the ring dinger. You owe it to yourself to get the ring dinger. It's on the forefront of chiropractic. There's nothing that comes close to it.
There really isn't.
There isn't. And it's hard to describe it, but the results speak for themselves.
Absolutely.
And you've seen that in your own practice too.
Oh yeah, I mean,
Well, tell about that one patient that you told us about this morning that you said had chronic radicular pain, arms and
Yeah.
legs for years.
yeah. So I had a patient that had 4 hernia discs in the neck,
Yeah.
11 years, and done everything, chiropractic included, and physical therapy, injections, and they came to me and they didn't believe it. They didn't think it was going to happen, but after you've done everything and all this pain
Right.
you've lived with, you're kind of desperate. So
Last resort.
yeah, last resort.
Yeah.
So first visit, it all went away.
Yeah.
And he couldn't believe it.
Imagine that.
Yeah, he couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
And that's why I do the ring dinger. I've had clinics where I do the normal chiropractic. Like I said, nothing against it. It's great. But there is nothing like a ring dinger. You owe it to yourself. Don't live with pain. Just
Because
get the
think
ring
about it, we've been standing in gravity our entire lives,
It's all
getting
compression.
compressed.
This
Yeah.
is the first time you truly have negative pressure and it decompresses.
This is really the very first chiropractic adjustment that's isolated the iliac crest,
Yes.
where you get a full spine decompression
Yes.
on the one adjustment.
Yeah. People compare it to the Y strap.
It's not even.
It's I've had the Y strap. Again, it's okay for some people, I guess, but it's not this. This you're not moving. The body's not. The spine is moving. That's the only thing
Right.
that's moving. So you're getting bigger, better movement in there. And and the other thing is, you want to go to chiropractors that are part of Team Ringdinger. They have the training.
Yes.
Anybody can buy a Y strap and pull.
Right.
I'm not saying I'm not naming
No,
any names
but,
or anything,
yeah.
but anybody could do that. You can't do this. You have to come here, get the training, get the license, get the equipment, put in the time.
Yep.
There is nothing like it. Don't gamble with your health, with your
No.
spine. Go to somebody
And
actually
don't
knows
be
what
trying
they're
to
doing.
do ring dingers on your friends at
Never
home
do that.
either,
No.
you know.
Don't
Only
do
go
that.
to a trained Team Ring Dinger doc.
Yeah, and you can find on his website. There's actually a list,
Yeah.
a map of. It might be a Team Ringdinger right near you. You don't even know it.
Yeah.
So you can go check
Yeah.
that.
Well, thanks for sharing that with us.
Yeah,
Still
thank
shoot you here.
Yeah, okay, I like being shot.
Yeah. You're used to it in Dallas,
Getting
right?
used to Texas.
Dr. Elahi used to be up in Seattle, Washington area, right?
Correct.
How you like Texas compared to Washington State?
It's a lot better. Let's just put it at that.
A lot hotter here.
A lot hotter, yeah.
Yeah, a lot.
Getting used to it. Well, apparently this is the hottest summer you guys
Yeah,
had for a
it
long
is.
time. So
Yeah.
for us,
Thank God for air conditioning.
yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone today on
Not a
YouTube.
problem.
Now, he's got a YouTube channel too.
Yes.
Advanced Chiropractic of Dallas, right?
Yes.
And you got links on your website to
You got
that
links
as
on
well?
website. How about you put a link on your description?
I can do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So go like and subscribe there too.
Now open up the description box on our YouTube channel on this particular video, and we'll link in his YouTube channel so
Yep.
you can go watch his YouTube videos that
Yep.
he has.
Yep.
And also leave a link for your website too.
Okay. Great.
Great. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of the Ring Dinger, and this is.
Dr. Ali Elahi from Advanced Chiropractic of Dallas and Addison.
And we'll see y'all soon.
Yeah.
Ring Dinger time.